How to place a trade on MT5. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 5 app, and now you can see there is chart option at the bottom of this section. So let's tap on chart first, and now you can see there is red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart shown in the screen. So you need to tap on that icon. So once you tap on it, you can see there is sell and buy option just popped out. So you simply need to tap on sell or buy according to your need, according to your want. So you can also adjust your lot from here. So once you complete everything, let's say I want to buy from here, so let me tap on buy for now. And yeah, my trade has been already taken in here. So if you want to check your trade, then just tap on trade just down below on this screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there my trade has been already taken. So basically this is how, and this is the process to place a trade on MT5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.